Hi, my name is Bryan Gezon, and I went to UIndy's DPT program. I'm from Michigan. I did some research on schools. I was recommended that I check out some schools outside of Michigan, and UIndy popped up, and I knew they had a PT program, so I visited and fell in love with it, and the rest is history. So. I really probably paid attention more in the orthopedics and sports medicine class because I knew that was my passion early on, and so definitely those classes were awesome. Dr. Emily Slavin heads up those classes when I was in school.
He was an undergraduate here and had a really interest in the physical therapy profession, so he came and spent some time with faculty. He was involved as a student ambassador, so I got to interact with him at different events. And then over the 3 years, I was one of his instructors in probably 7 or 8 of his classes, so got to spend a good bit of time watching him grow from his initial time here as a student all the way through to graduation.
If you want to become a physical therapist, mostly, doctorate that you have to, level of education they have to get, and so this UIndy has a great program, and definitely, especially in Indiana and Indianapolis, we have a very good reputation, so employers look at that UIndy degree and they definitely know that you can, good education.
Students at the University of Indianapolis have great exposure in clinical internships and their educational experiences once outside the classroom. So when they're out using the content they've learned in the classroom, they really get to work with clinicians who are outstanding clinical teachers and then really help those students step up and understand what it's like to apply the material that they've learned in class with patients who are in the clinic with them.
The thing I enjoy most about working as a physical therapist is working with the patients, and so I think to deliver best care, you have to continue to learn and to grow as a therapist, and so UIndy, a lot of the professors have advanced certification, so that's definitely motivating as a graduate from UIndy to try to follow along the footsteps of some of the great professors. And in 5 years, hopefully I'll be a better clinician, maybe some advanced certifications, and then just practicing at a higher level of what I'm doing right now.